empty the box and lay out the pieces on a protected surface. Align the two seat panels facing down. Insert the alignment pins of each bench panel into its corresponding hole in the other bench panel. Insert the two alignment pins in the frame and connect the alignment pins into the corresponding holes in the seat panels. Attach the frame to the seat panels using 6 screws. Use the Allen key to tighten the screws. The ratchet provided with the table is also compatible with the bench. Align the holes of the frame with the corresponding holes of the leg frame. Attach the leg frame to the frame using 3 screws. Screw into the leg frame's threaded inserts. Repeat step 5 and step 6 to attach the second leg frame. Use the Allen key to tighten the screws. Flip the bench in its upright position. If using the seat cushion, insert the seat cushion into the cushion cover and remove the Velcro protector. Remove the stickers only, do not remove the Velcros. Place it on the bench. Align both bench and cushion edges together and gently press down once aligned to secure Velcro to seat panels. The cushion can be repositioned if not properly placed, but the Velcro on the bench cannot be once applied to the seat panels. Enjoy your Vela dining bench with the cushion.